witnessing crazy lightning. Like Harry Potter forehead kind of lightning. And it's coming down hard. Oh, I hope you guys saw that. Okay, now all these trees are in the way. Maybe I should get back on the roof. Holy cripple pattern in a size 2 shoe. Things are going crazy. So, yeah. There's the thunder. Come on, don't be afraid. Okay, now just look that way. That's where all the lightning's coming from. I'm afraid we're gonna have to get like on a roof or something, or a car or something. Cause oh, yeah! I got that one. Loud lightning, and it was right there in the horizon. Okay, yes, we get it. You're close by. I'm going inside. Okay, now so I don't get struck by lightning, because maybe this is God's sign of saying, Jordan, go inside. Maybe get a ride. Why he's got a rapper? I have no idea. But yeah, I gotta go inside, because the lightning is, oh, pretty birdie. Yeah, I just don't want to get struck by lightning. So I will see you guys I'm going inside. Okay, you guys, I don't know what day it is. Yes, ha ha ha. Anyway, I'm going inside now because, yeah, whatever. So since I don't know what day it is, because I'm completely lost. Is it Monday? Is it Sunday? I don't know. I will see you guys whenever.